I think I told you, right? My last landing here was on 20th July 2015, almost 4 years ago. I still remember we flew from Chisinau to Antalya and back.
Beautiful area.
It's always beautiful from there.
What about the access to the sea?
No, we don't have. We used to have it. We used to have it, but we don't.
Chisinau Control, Alpha Mike Quebec, 3 Zulu, descending flight level 200 inbound Murka.
Alpha Mike Quebec, 3 Zulu, Chisinau Control, hello, identified. Expect ILS approach for runway 08, descent to flight level 90.
Descending flight level 90, expecting ILS approach 926.
08.
Sorry, 08. Next 3 Zulu.
Yeah, let's 08.
Alpha Mike Quebec 3 Zulu, you on number 3, radio speed 250 knots and continue via flight plan route. Artist information Victor.
Information Victor on board, reducing speed to 50 knots, and we are number 3, Amex 3 Zulu.
Okay, Murka 1 Alpha in this case via ANIP to ILS 08. 1103 for ILS, MJ 600. Same altitude for glide slope interception 2500. And in case of mist, just climb straight ahead 082 2500 with advice ATC.
Sure.
And performance is updated. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay, thank you.
Chisinau approach, Amex 3 Zulu, good day, descending flight level 80, inbound Panip.
MX 3 Zulu, Chisinau approach, good day, identified. Descent to altitude 4000 feet, QNH 1008. Expect ILS approach, runway 08.
Descending 4000 on QNH 1008. Expected ILS 08. MX 3 Zulu.
4000, vertical speed all time, QNH 1008. Approach checklist, please.
Of course.
Altimeters, QNH 9000.
1008, Payson
MX
9000.
3 Zulu,
No.
expect radar vectoring due to traffic.
Expected radar vectors due to traffic. Amex 3 Zulu.
You see right in the middle of the clouds.
Yeah. Nice window.
Exactly.
Parks, briefing, it's
Done.
done, engine sync.
Oh,
Off, record lights. Oh, we can put it on.
yes please.
Next before landing.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
MX 3 Zulu, turn left heading 180.
Left heading 180. Amex 3 Zulu.
Left 180, flip 8.
Checked, speed check. 8 selected and indicated.
Thank you.
Moldova 894, now established on localizer. Moldova 894, Roger, distance 13 miles, continue approach. Continue approach, Moldova 894.
Yeah, for the last 4 years I've been watching these landscapes just through the passenger windows.
MX 3 Zulu, turn left heading 160, expect 20 track miles.
Turning left 160 and expected 20 track miles. Amex 3 Zulu.
Okay, direct course interception fix. Heading 160 set.
Check.
MX 3 Zulu, descent to altitude 2500 feet.
Descending 2500 feet. Amex 3 Zulu.
2500 feet set. Vertical speed all turn.
MX 3 Zulu, turn left heading 110, clear LS approach, runway 08, report established on quasar.
Turning left heading 110 and clear for LS 08. Will report establish. Amex 3 Zulu.
Left 110,
Check.
clear it for the LS.
Sure.
Approach mode, lock 1 is armed. Oh, now I see the airport.
Yeah.
It's in the shadow of this big cloud.
2 runways.
Lock captured, glide slope is armed.
Check.
Report established.
Radar Amex 30, we are established on ILS and a glide slope 08.
Last
Amex 30,
capture.
Roger, distance 7 miles on final, contact tower 118.1, bye bye.
118.1 Amex 30.
Okay, glide slope captured, ground is 2,500, it's set.
Tower, good day, Amex 30, established on ILS 08, 5 miles final.
Amex 30 Chisinau Tower, hello, wind 270 degrees, 7 knots, runway 08, clear to land.
We are clear to land, runway 08, Amex 30.
Flips 20, gear down, please.
Flaps 20, speed check. Gear down.
And flips full down, please.
Flaps, full down, speed check, full down, selected.
Default in checks, please.
Show. Gear down to green.
Affirm.
Spoilers.
Arm.
Flaps.
Sorry?
Down. Flaps.
Full down.
Anti-skid.
On lights out.
Hydraulic pressure on the green. No steering is armed. Ignition is on. Cooling auxiliary is off. Landing clearance received. Taxi lights is on. Cabin signs. I can recycle.
Thank you.
Cabin ready.
Okay. Autopilot is off.
Yes.
Minimums.
Contact landing.
Minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Orders extended. To unlock, to deploy. Speed 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60.
Amex 30, vacate runway Bravo. Follow me car, contact ground 1 decimal 8, good day.
Locating via Bravo behind the follow me car and contact ground 121 decimal 8. Amex 30, thank you, bye.
And once ready after landing checks.
Okay.
Yeah, contact ground and then after landing checks.
Yeah, sure.
Ground, good day, Amex 30 on the Bravo behind the follow me car.
Amex 30, Chisinau ground, good evening, taxi behind the follow me, Bravo Delta Echo, stand 31.
Behind the follow me car, Bravo Delta Echo stand 31, Amex 30.
And I think I know who is meeting our passenger. Okay, we have times?
Yep.
Avionic masters off. I'll have gen is off. And then my engine number 1 is off. Takes lights off, transponder standby, please.
Accelerates off and stand by.
Amex 30, follow the marshal instructions, welcome to Chisinau.
Following Marshall, Amex 30, thank you.
Спасибо большое.
Thank you.